Hello, bonjour! Did you know there are certain foods that actually have the power to reprogram your fat cells? It's called thermogenesis. So there are ingredients that are thermogenic, which means that they convert the white fat, the one that we store, the unwanted one, into brown fat that is metabolically active to burn calories. Today I'm teaching you my fat-burning hot sauce that will enliven your salad, spice up your pasta, and jazz up your steamed vegetables, all to help you to reach your weight loss goals. Ready? Awesome! So we start with the peppers that we use, and I'm using red Thai chili peppers. So you can see what you can get at the store and see how hot they are and, tweak the recipe accordingly. But those are the ones that I'm using today. I took out the seeds because the seeds, they have a bitter taste. They're not the spiciest, that's a myth, but they just have a bitter taste. The texture that you would add, I didn't like it, so I took them out. Doesn't take that long to do it. It took me 10 minutes to do the 90 grams that I need here, and I will teach you the trick to do that. We use 𝘀𝘁cie𝗿𝗄. I have 2 of them, and you'll see how easy it is. So we take a pepper and then cut the end here, cut it in half, like this. Then with one 𝘀𝘁cie𝗿𝗄, you hold the end, with the other one you pull out the seeds. See? So it doesn't take that long, and it will make a difference really in the taste of the final product. So I invite you to do that. You can keep the seeds, of course, if you like. Maybe you do both and you see what you prefer to have. So we put our blender on the scale, we add the ingredients. We need 90 grams of the chili peppers. And yes, you can wear gloves if you like. You know the mistake I did? I was to do the video and I forgot to put my contact lens on. Well, forget it. I couldn't wash it off, so it really takes a day for it to go away. And then the next one is the onion, and we need to have 60 grams. And it's a little trick here with the onion. You see where it's the part of the root that is growing in the part of the root growing in the ground. That's the part where I start cutting. I hold it, and see how easy it is to take that peel off? See? Just like that. Excellent. Now we'll put the onion on the side here. I need 60 grams. I have 42 right now, so a bit more. There we go. Let's see, I'll put that in. And then I'll add on the side. Yeah, I'm at 59. I'd say it's pretty good. The next ingredients we need is the apple cider vinegar. We need 40 grams. There we are. And then we need 10 grams of garlic. I have some that is spilled here. I'll put it on the side, 10 grams. And then paprika, which is 1 teaspoon. And salt, half a teaspoon. And the last ingredient that I need is ginger. I will use a microplane, and I need to have 10 grams. This is great to use to clean the back of it, the round side. There's one side with teeth, one side without. It's a spreader or a butter knife, depending how you call it. And I need 10 grams. Rinse this one right away. It's very easy. It just comes off. If you wait, it just sticks. And now we blend. And there we are. Woo. Ooh. Even the smell, it's spicy. Let me show you. I'll put it into that little jar here. You'll see the beautiful color. There you are. It will keep for at least 4 months. Put it in your fridge. Your fridge should be between 2 and 4 Celsius, and then you will keep it up to 4 months. Also remember that the door, your fridge door, isn't as cold. So keep it at the back of your fridge, and it will keep for 4 months. You add, and then you see how you like it. Start with a half a teaspoon into your dressing, into your vinaigrette, into your bechamel, into your sauce, into your salsa, tacos. It's so many places where you can use it. And you will reprogram your body to turn your white fat into brown fat and reach your weight loss goals. Deliciously, of course. See you in the next one.